All right, let's talk about supercharging your crypto grid trading with a really powerful new tool.
You've probably seen those crazy returns on grid bots, right? Sometimes over 1,000% APR.
But the real trick is figuring out how to nail the settings and not get liquidated.
Well, this is where MantisHFT Quant comes in. It's a free AI assistant built for this.
It hooks into 3 powerful quant engines to give you deep market insights in just seconds. So its analysis is broken down into 3 distinct radars, and each one has a job.
First up, you've got the Mars radar. This one hunts for the absolute best trading opportunities.
So you get AI setups, performance scores, and even some wild historical context on coins.
Okay, next is the Venus radar, and this one is all about managing your risk.
Think of it as your shield. It actually predicts flash crash risks to help protect you.
And finally, there's the Jupiter radar, which gives you the hard data from back-tested performance. This shows you exactly which grid setups and leverages have actually worked the best historically.
So how do you actually get all this info? Well, it's incredibly simple to use.
You just type check and then a coin ticker, like check BTC, right in the chat.
Just drop the command and the bot instantly scans its databases and gives you everything.
But what if you want a bigger picture view? There's another command for that.
The summary command gives you the top-performing grids across the entire market. It's awesome.
The whole point is to let the AI do the heavy lifting, saving you a ton of time. So, with all these insights right at your fingertips, what's the first move you're going to make?